Okay, so we got in there and we clicked a button. It looks like there's a bunch of preloaded free games on here. This one's called Bam-Foo. Alright. Oh, so you click and drag. Do you want to?
Sure.
So you choose one, you gotta click and drag. I guess. Astronaut. Alright. I'll be the surfer bro. Alright, 2 people, and let's see if we can play. Whatever that means. Random. Captain Random says, let's do random. Each player has their own coloring quarter of pebbles. Look through the colors of the players when you tap them. Make the majority of the pebbles your color and win the round.
Trial by fire?
Trial by fire. Yes. Right here with us. Tap.
I mean, you just wanted 4K.
So you just poke them.
Yeah, I guess.
So I poke the blue ones then?
I think you're red.
So I poke the blue ones and turn them red.
Yeah, that looks like it. There's so much disorganized chaos.
Oh, no. This is ridiculous.
This is so disorganized.
Ready. Wah! Whoa!
Nice.
You want to tap the middle this time?
Sure.
Oh! I feel like we're going to poke through the board at some point.
Right. Dang.
Whoa! It feels like sometimes it doesn't tap quite when I want it to.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's kind of like
I
you
think
gotta
it's just multiple inputs.
Yeah. Oh, snap. Look at that. Wow. Oh, no. I think I'm going to hurt my fingers.
Okay.
Astronaut beat the surfer dude.
Big surprise.
All right. Menu?
Menu?
Alright, so it's a tappy tap game.
Yeah.
I feel like if I keep playing this, I'm going to hurt my fingers.
Fair enough.
How do I get... Yeah, X. There we go.
There you go.
What else we got? Oh, there's Catan. Bam-Foo. So imagine you have 4 players on this around a table. Holy moly.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna call our dinner table.
I wonder if we're only supposed to play with one hand, too.
Probably,
Especially
because
with 4 players.
it shows one hand.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
you know, we were probably cheating, but since there's 4 people,
We were
it's
both
2
cheating,
hands.
so is it really cheating?
Fair enough.
Oh. You ever played set before?
I've not, but I have a feeling I'm about to.
So this is a basic game where you have... Okay, I was going to explain things, but no. So you have... There we go. You have colors, shapes, and patterns, and numbers. So, Alright, here we go. So you have diamonds, ovals, and squiggles. Oh, weird, it's the same characters, okay.
I mean, makes sense, I suppose.
Oh, stealing the wizard. Alright, I'm going to do the mad scientist then. Wow, so this says up to 8 players all at once. Holy moly.
Maybe it's less chaotic then.
So, it's like, okay, we're technically playing, but this will be the mulligan learning round and everything.
Okay.
So, you want everything to match or nothing to match in all of the categories. So, color is one of them.
Mm-hmm.
Either all purple all red, all green, or purple, red, green. You want the numbers 1, 2, and 3 to all match. You want the shading to match. These are all solids, which is weird. You'll find that there are also shade and clear. So they have to all match or all not match. Any questions?
Yet again, trial by fire.
All right. So these 3 are green. There's 3 in each one, and they're different shapes. So I'm gonna go blink, blink, blink.
I think you have to hit set first.
Oh, there you go. Set 1, 2, 3, and then it clears it.
Gotcha. So, have to find out.
Perfect.
Okay. And is it back and forth or just
You
go?
can hit set whenever you want, and
Okay.
apparently you only have 10 seconds to do it.
No?
Oh wait,
I
it's your
did.
turn.
No, it's you.
It was
Go.
me. I couldn't tell who got it.
Yeah. Me neither.
There we go. Ooh.
Okay. Messed up.
I think there's a penalty if you.
Yeah, you do get one. Because I just saw it go down. I think this is how it works, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Boom, boom.
The winning sound.
I know, there should be a winning sound, right?
Or at least some sound like that.
And the winning sound should be based on what your character is. Mine should go ka, and then yours could go kazap. Mine's the scientist and yours the wizard, yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Interesting, sir. Thought I had it. Woo! 0.6 seconds left.
Nice.
You're good at this.
I see, said the blind man.
Oh, you got it.
Oh.
There were none left. At least it tells you that. It's like we've sat
Yeah.
and stared at the board for like minutes before.
Before you're like, alright, there's no set.
Cool. That's super fun. I've got to do emails and stuff, unfortunately.
This one?
Oh, game mode easy. Nice. That's why the rounds are so short.
Makes sense. There
My
you go.
mom is really, really mean at this game. And she plays with the deck of cards too, which is kind of fun in its way. This is kind of like, okay, we got to a point where we're both seeing, we're both trying to hit set as well. I think if we're playing with a group of people and like, let's say you hit set and then I would say set next and everybody would know that I get to hit set next.
Yeah.
Because or else you could hit set and then try to keep hitting it again and again.
Yeah, I mean, that's would give an advantage to some people.
Yeah, because then you can claimsies next on it. But, ooh, if I was coding this game, I would have it to be like, okay, if you hit set and then I hit set, it would put me in queue. And if somebody else hit set, they'd go in queue.
Yeah, but the issue with that idea is then you could get penalized because the person